brain activities to become good at math. Welcome to this video where we're gonna use some brain activities to improve our skills. So here we have 5 different shape. Okay, so we have hexagon. Okay, hexagon. We have a triangle. We have a rectangle. We have a square, and you have a circle. So we're gonna see that there are some combination, between the shapes. And here the question that we want to find which shape, two shape have the same value. Okay, and after that, that's what we have here in the bottom. We're gonna try to do combination between two different shapes to get 3 and to get 1. Okay, so let's go step by step and let's explain the strategies. So we have here a circle, right? So we want to know what the value gonna be in the circle, what the value gonna be in the square, such that when we add the two values, we get a 5. Here we have many possibilities, but be careful. Why? Because you have to make sure that the value you use for the circle, which is gonna be the same thing here, because this is another circle. So that value added to the value gonna be in this triangle will be 7. So here we have a square, and that value in the square will be the same value in the square in the first step. Okay, so that value in the square plus the value in the hexagon will be 9. And now we have a 5 in the rectangle. So yeah, we assume that this is a rectangle. So 5 in the rectangle, we already knew this. So plus the value which is going to be in the triangle, which is going to be the same value, in the triangle before. Okay, so together you get 11. Okay, and from there, we can figure out what are the two different shape with the same value. Okay, so you can pause this video, to challenge yourself before you continue to see the way I will solve it. Now, let's go step by step. The thing is this: if you want to solve it from the first step, like you want to solve this question from here, yeah, that will be hard. That will be difficult for you because we have many possibilities, you see. So because you have many possibilities, it's going to be hard. You don't know which one works. Someone could say, oh, I could do 1 and the 4. Another person could say, oh, you know what? I could do 4 here for the circle and the 1 for the square. Or it can be 2 and the 3. So 2 and the 3. Or 3 and the 2. So there are many possibilities. So the best way to solve this problem is to start from the last one. Okay, the last one we have a 5 plus, okay, nothing equals 11. So 5 plus what is 11? We know that 5 plus 6 is 11. So therefore, we know the answer for the triangle. So everywhere we see triangle, we'll place 6 there. Wow. Wow. Okay, so we have a 6 for the triangle. Therefore, we can figure out what is the value for the circle. Because circle plus 6 equals 7. That means circle is 1. Wow. Okay, so if you know circle is 1, we could go to the first step, which is yes, circle is 1, and 1 plus what give you 5. 1 plus 4. Wow. So the square is 4. If the square is 4, that means I could place again 4 here because this is another square. And 4 plus what give you 9. 5. Okay. Do you see that? We have a 5 here, we have a 5 here. So when the question here said, what are the two different shapes with the same value? So here we have rectangle and hexagon. So these are the two shapes with the same value. Okay, now the last question. When they say here, how can we get 3 and the 1 from two different shapes? Again, you could pause the video to challenge yourself before you see the solution. So how can we get the 3 and the 1 from two different shapes? Okay, so we see that if you take a square, okay, minus a circle, you get what? 3. Because in the square, we have a 4. In the circle, we have a 1. And the 4 minus 1 is 3. Okay, now how can we get to 1 from, again, two different shapes? Okay, for that, we have two possibilities. Okay, we can take the hexagon. Okay, the hexagon, which is 5, minus the square, 4, equals 1. Or another possibility, we take the rectangle, which is 5, minus the square. The square. Okay, we assume that this is a square I'm drawing. Okay, and that gives you what? 1. So the purpose of this practice is to help you use your brain, for kind of activities when you have numbers and you have to combine, numbers to get a result. And doing this little practice, every time, that help you to improve your skill in mathematics. Thank you, and see you in our next video for a similar practice. Bye-bye.